Before you finish out the chimney, you should apply caulking around the top of the bend dubs where the tiles meet the chimney walls. To finish out the front of the chimney, you can use the top course metal as what we call a head wall flashing. You need to finish the ends by leaving just enough material so that you can fold down closings at the end that will go right down to the tile beneath. This flashing is a decorative piece that will create a straight line for the siding or stucco to lap onto. I've cut and tabbed these corners so that I can use stitch screws to hold them together. On the sides and the back of the chimney, install the Z-bar metal. On new construction, you install this Z-bar all the way around the chimney, including the front, before you install the tiles. Any siding or other exterior treatment laps over the top part of the Z-bar. Then you tuck the tile bend up under the lower part of the Z-bar. If the Z-bar goes on before the tiles do, then the other trades can complete their work without getting a chance to damage the roof tiles.